Now send and receive photos, documents, and more between Android devices and Windows PC like AirDrop. Google's Nearby Share app makes it easy to transfer files from Android to Windows. Nearby Share for Windows can be downloaded from the Android website. Once downloaded, the installation process takes a few steps, and the app works, irrespective of whether it is open or in the background. To send or receive files from or to your Windows-based PC, all you need to do is sign in to the Nearby Share app using your Google account. Users can either drag and drop files into the app, or choose which files they want to share using the Send with Nearby Share option that appears when you right-click on a file. One note to note here is that if you log in to the Nearby Share app on Windows and use the same account on your Android device, file transfers will be automatically accepted even if the screen is off. All the devices involved in the transfer need Bluetooth and must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.